So opening weekend in the woods is really special for us and everybody. Shooting ducks with leaves on the trees, and that's what we all get up in the morning for. So we were doing our little scouting a couple weeks before season, and me and my buddy Logan, we've hunted opener several years now, and got in there and started looking, and it heard some ducks, and we knew we were close to where they were sitting, and kind of stopped and paused and looked, and then all of a sudden we started seeing water and ripples, and then kind of like a carpet of green. And I didn't try to overhype it too much, but I got back to work and I told Drake, I was like, man, it should be pretty good. So we fast forward a few weeks, we get dialed in, finally get my boat in, get my motor mounted, and we're ready to go. We're ginning to go. And there's people, we're expecting people everywhere. Well, come to find out, a good buddy of mine had also found the same ducks. So we joined groups, 6 of us, 11 of them, ended up being 17 people. And it was a big hole, what I would consider a big hole with plenty of brush, and I felt good about it with leaves still being on the trees that we could hide that many people. And judging by the ducks that we shot, I'd say that we hid well. It was a good time, made a lot of probably lifelong friends on that hunt, and I've hunted with guys on that hunt several times since then, and that's what you go up there for, is to meet new friends and really to do it the right way. And I know that there's a lot of guys that go up there and like to race and this and that, but first day of season, let's just all get along and have a good time. So. Here. You could tell that we were hunting some fresh water. The ducks, they were wanting to get in there bad. running races, building up in big packs. Now, there was a bunch of people in the woods, and it was hard to finish the big groups, and spinners are a thing now, and foreshadowing, I think spinners affected, some of the bigger groups that day and on throughout the whole season, really. But we shot a bunch of ducks, and it ended up being, smaller groups. We'd shoot a 10 back here and there, but as far as the big groups go, they were a little tougher on us. Might have to be with pressure. Might have been the spinners. Might have been 17 people in the trees. Who knows? But the ducks we shot, they did it right. Broke them out of the big groups and shot them, right in their face, just like like you're supposed to.
Get him. That's good enough. Get him. Sit. Long story short, really wasn't no qualms. We didn't really have a whole lot of people around us. We shot our ducks pretty good. First couple days, it was pretty sporty. We had a lot of good hunts. For the most part, like I said, there was no issues. Our buddy Keaton, he was coming in a little hot, coming in the hole one morning and wasn't racing anybody. He was just enjoyed riding a little hot, and the next thing you know, he caught a limb and hit a tree and put a fresh little good old dent in that nice looking reefer boat that he had. But other than that, it was a pretty good opening weekend, and hope y'all enjoy it.
Watch this shit. Get him on that end. That's how you kill a bear.
So with it being an opening weekend, we had a combined groups and we had a lot of people, but we had a lot of leaves on the trees. So that being said, it wasn't that hard to hide that many people. We had a decent wind, so everyone was kind of on the same page. We didn't really have a whole lot of issues with people calling on one another. Everyone kind of read the room and got in where they fit in. There was really not a whole lot of issues, so it was pretty good for opening weekend. No stress. We sat there, killed our ducks, hung out, took some pictures, and eased on back to camp. It was a pretty solid weekend, and I'm ready to do it again.